dusk is falling, the LED light comes on, and we're going to choose a color, and we'll show you what it looks like later in the evening in the back. We can have the light cycle through every 30 minutes to change the color, or have it cycle every 3 seconds a color. From intelamp, we have products, and we're looking at the solar deck RGB fence lights that you could put on your landscape wall, decking, by the boatyard, by the RV, by the camper, anywhere you want to put lights. And we're going to show you what comes inside the box. Everything nicely packed, pulling out your hardware, the self-adhesive stickers, AAA batteries, a remote control, and your fence lights. We have a 6-pack, self-adhesive stickers. You have the light with the 5-volt 120 mAh solar panel with the 3.2 volt 1200 milliamp battery internal. They're IP65 rated. They have a color lock of different RGBs, a warm light, and a color cycle. It is an easy install by placing on the wall and locking down. We're given an instruction guide to go over. Place in the sun all day, 6 hours to fully charge, 20 hours of run time. To test the unit, cover the solar panel and turn the light on. Hitting the mode on button, we have a memory. It will give a rapid flash. Hold the button for over a second. With the last memory recall, we're in the cycle mode. On the mode, we could simply change off and go to the different colors. And on the remote control, we have a button wheel that we could go to the different colors. We have the cycle of RGB. By pressing the center, it is cycled through all the colors. We have a 1 and a 6 hour timer, a remote off and on. We have a brightness level that we could dim the light down and increase the light up. Then we have the center light button that goes into the main light, the warm Kelvin. We could set 2 modes up, RGB, and the second mode, F2. As light is dimmed down, the light will go back on. Going over the F1 mode, it is cycled through the colors every 3 seconds. In the F2 mode, every 30 minutes the lights will change. That's the F1 and F2 mode. When the light level increases, the light shuts off. For stick-on mounts, simply take the peel-off tape, place on the unit on each side, at higher. When ready to hang in the location, simply peel off the backing. Fully off on each and firmly stick on in a location you want. Press the on button after a day full of sun and the unit will light up. We'll come back in the evening hours and see what the light looks like. Find a location you like on wood or drill down into concrete and more. Simply grab your screws, place on, and where you step, simply place the light and lock down. Find the height on your fence post and lock into place. So we have our lights all hung up in different areas, and we'll come back in the evening hours and demonstrate what they look like. We have the lights. Turn them all on. We could have them cycle and have one stay lit. We could change them all to one color. different colors of your choice, and so forth. You could put them on a timer. You could lower the lights down or increase the lights up and put them on a warm level. I hope you enjoy your fence lights RGB with a 30-minute cycle of colors. Or you can have it go at a 3-second interval. And these are all the RGB colors. They have the F1 for 3 seconds and the F2 for 30 minutes. I hope you enjoy your product. Put them on a fence, put them around your landscape, by the deck, by the staircase, on the wall. Hang them up high, hang them up low. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.